Hey, what's up everybody? Sleefail is here. Thanks again for watching and welcome to my new subscribers. If you're new to my channel, I'm trying to bring you cryptocurrency news in an edutainment kind of way, so it's easy for you to digest. So, I'm talking a little bit softly today because my wife and kid are sleeping and I do not want to wake them up. So, today I wanted to show you some analytics that I've done on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, because as we can see, Ethereum is chasing up on Bitcoin. The market cap between the two are closing up. Yesterday the daily volume of Ethereum was higher, but is it actually true that Ethereum is gaining up if we look at it from a mainstream perspective? Of course, the big corporates know about Ethereum, but what about the rest of the world? So let's take a look at some Google Trends and look at some search word volume to see if we can get more information out of that. So as I said also earlier, it's not only the crypto geeks that are investing into cryptocurrency and blockchain, but now the institutional investors, forex traders, hedge funds are also investing in cryptocurrency. I've also touched base upon that in my previous videos. And as said, the game is changing now. There are a lot of big gains now, again between the 2 and the 4 billion averagely in the last 7 days, when we had a dip to 60 billion and now back up again above the 80 billion. And if the big boys are playing with money, then we're gonna see a lot of volatility. So be prepared for a bumpy ride. So let's go to the analysis. Let's go! So before we go to my analysis of Google Trends and on a keyword analysis on Ethereum and Bitcoin, I just want to make awareness for Bitcoin Meister, Adam Meister, the Disrupt Meister. So if you are new to the crypto space, I would definitely suggest to follow him if you want to stay up to date with everything with regards to Bitcoin. So in particular, I wanted to highlight this video right here because I've been in touch with Adam because I bought a Trezor 2 weeks ago and I've used his code. So we have been in contact and Adam is always interested to see how Bitcoin is being adopted at various places. So I sent him the Arnhem Bitcoin City video and he mentioned me in his video. So thank you very much for that, Adam. So let's go to Google Trends right now. Let me move this up. So what I did in Google Trend, I did a comparison of buy Bitcoin versus buy Ethereum. And you can see that over time it picked up here in 2017. So this is a view of the last 5 years. So sorry guys, everything is in Dutch because I do not know how to change this into English. So if you change this in the last 30 days or that in the last 90 days, you can see there is a sudden peak here in the last peak here since last week. But as you can see, the ratio between Bitcoin and Ethereum is still in favor of Bitcoin. So if we drill it down in the last 7 days, Bitcoin is still in favor. But how does this look like in absolute numbers, guys? So for that, you will not get the details in Google Trends. But what I'm using for that is the Google Keyword Planner. And I've did some pre-work for that because otherwise it's gonna take a lot of time to show you. But it looks like this. So as you can see on a daily base, there are approximately 3.5 billion search queries. And out of that, you can see the search word for Bitcoin is 10 times higher than that of Ethereum. If you look at Bitcoin price, same story. Bitcoin mining, also more than double. And buy Bitcoin versus buy Ethereum is also higher. So, all in all, of course, people that are into new technology, big corporates, they understand Ethereum. But if we look worldwide, without doing any segmentation, you can see that there is still a lot of interest in Bitcoin versus Ethereum. And don't forget, I think personally, if you look at the innovation adoption curve, we have just left the innovator stage and we are now in the early adopter phase. So we still have the early majority phase, the late majority phase, and the laggard phase. But most of the awareness, as you can see, is still Bitcoin. But if the rest of the world is getting in as well, then over time, I don't know, I'm just speculating, we'll just need to wait and see. So I hope that gives you some insight on the awareness in terms of search volume of the rest of the world. That's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.